How to log into Instagram without verification code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into Instagram without verification code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to log into Instagram without verification code, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna be able to set this type of interface. If you want to log in without verification code and if you have your account saved, it's very simple. As you can see in my case, I already have my account saved on my Instagram app, so when I tap the login option, I will be able to log in without any sort of issues. However, if you don't have your account saved, you can only log in without a verification code as long as you have turned off two-factor authentication. So if you have turned on two-factor authentication, of course it's going to ask you to verify. Now if you don't have the verification code, then you can simply tap the forgotten password option and try to reset it if you want to get the verification code. But however, only if you have two-factor authentication disabled will you then be able to go and log into your Instagram account without any password or any sort of verification codes. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.